Hi, I'm Cindy, and we're here to show you what we love about Schacht wheels. Behind every Schacht product, you'll find a profound commitment to the textile arts, superb customer service, and teaching programs for every skill level. For over 50 years, we've built all of our wheels in the US, right here in Boulder, Colorado. They're made from ethically sourced wood and last a lifetime. Let's start with the Schacht-Reeves. The Schacht-Reeves offers traditional beauty for the modern spinner. It's perfect for production spinning. That 30-inch drive wheel adds twist fast. You can get it your way: single treadle, double treadle, flyer on the right or left, cherry or ashwood. Treat yourself to the ultimate luxury, the wheel and its included accessories. From the lazy cake down to the orifice hook, have the classic Saxony design established by Rick Reeves' handmade wheel. I don't spin on a regular basis, so when Spinzilla came around, I knew I needed a competitive edge, which led me directly to the Schacht-Reeves. Fastest spinner with least amount of effort, perfect for me who errs on the lazy side. It was also an honor to participate in the production design of this wheel, a way to honor Rick's legacy and a lifelong contribution to the world of spinning. Here's Stephanie to introduce the Ladybug.
Looking for something fun, friendly, and cute? The Ladybug welcomes spinners at every level, and it can handle any kind of yarn you want to spin. It's easy to carry with built-in handles. A nylon drive wheel makes it light and durable. For extra convenience, attach the Ladybug lazy cake to the front of your wheel, and it assembles and comes apart in minutes. I love my Ladybug. I've taught hundreds of people how to spin on this wheel. Easy treadling and great ratios make this a great wheel for beginners and spinners looking to add another wheel to their fleet. It's a great wheel for spinning at home or taking with you to your spinning circle. I don't have to worry about denting the drive wheel when I carry it around with me. Back to Cindy for the Sidekick.
Looking to combine smooth operation and super portability? Our Sidekick was inspired by a bicycle. In fact, it treadles like bike pedals. Fold it up, zip it into the included carry bag, and you're ready to go. Then unfold it for compact, portable spinning. Easy to carry, easy to store, and delightful to use. That's your Sidekick. I like the Sidekick because it's super stable, creating easy spinning, plus you get great ergonomics for your body. You can work out without having to ride a bicycle. I have one under my desk for daily exercise. Stephanie takes us to the next wheel, the Flatiron.
Looking for a Saxony wheel with modern styling? Meet the Flatiron. We flat pack it so we can ship it anywhere. You build it with the flyer on the left or the right. Now you can spin in any tension mode with double treadles. When you want a modern wheel that flies, the Flatiron feels like it has wings. The large drive wheel can get ratios up to 26:1 with our super high-speed whirl. It's great for long draw, shorter fibers, and fine yarns. With or without the bulky flyer plier package, this wheel makes plying a breeze. We saved our first wheel for last, the Matchless. Here's Deb to introduce it.
Looking for a versatile wheel? You can spin anything on the Matchless, from fine to super bulky. It provides stable, feather-light operation with 2 treadles. Walnut accents and graceful curves look beautiful in any room. This wheel lives up to its name, Matchless. I bought my Matchless in 2013 when I needed a second wheel. I was determined to try everything before I made any decisions. The minute I sat down to the Matchless, I knew it was the one. I stuck to my plan, test driving every wheel, and I kept coming back to the Matchless. It came home with me, and it's decorated my living room ever since. I can use it for lazy spinning in my default style. I can use it to learn new techniques and to fuss over fine yarns. This wheel does it all and looks good doing it. We hope you enjoyed meeting our spinning wheels. No matter what you're looking for, Schacht makes a wheel that meets your needs and suits your style.